Dear students, welcome to this short tutorial which actually helps you to install a Xampp server. So if you Google this one, Xampp download for Windows 10 or similarly like for MacBook, you can find out this link, apachefriends.org website. Click it here, and once you go inside, based on your computer, if it is Windows, you can do the latest version of this Xampp, which is 8.2.12, and you put it on a download. It is a 150 MB file. It will take some few minutes based on speed of your internet, and it will be downloaded on your computer. Once it is done, you can see the file name Xampp Windows x64-8.2.12 installer.exe. You need to double click it and then start installing this one on your local computer. Once you start installing, it will start with the warning. You need to just click OK, press next, and all of the options should be as it is. There is no change in that, and it depends in which drive you want to install. So by default it is going into C drive. If you want to change to D drive, you can do that. Just next, nothing to change, and now just wait for unpacking all files and installing it on your local computer. So once you are done with that, there are some few Windows security questions can be asked by the Xampp, like you are allowing the Apache HTTP server to unblock the firewall, or those things you need to allow them, and then put this finish line. And this all installation is for your own computer or for your own laptop to install it on your own computer. So this is how overall the panel of Xampp server looks like. Xampp control panel version 3.3.0, that should be there, and from there we can start our next tutorial. Thank you.